everyone. Welcome to the online classes. Now we discuss the chapter of electricity. This is the basic question of electrical energy which is consumed by the systems. So this is the question. A current of 4 ampere flows through a 12-volt battery car headlight bulb for 10 minutes. How much energy transferred during this process? So we have to calculate the electrical energy. So what is the electrical energy? We have to using the formula solution. We are using the formula for the electrical energy. Electrical energy E बराबर power into time. This is the basic formula we are using here. This is the electrical energy. This is electrical energy, and this is the power, and this is the time. So first we are using the formula for electrical energy, but power is always taken in kilowatt. Power is always taken in the kilowatt, and time always taken in hours. So this is the basic concept we are using for the electrical energy, because electrical energy is always taken in kilowatt hour. This is the SI unit for the, because electrical energy is taken in kilowatt hour. This is the unit of the electrical energies. So first we have to write how much current is passing through. 4 ampere current is passing through 12-volt battery. It means first we have to write the data. Current is 4 ampere, voltage is 12 volt. So first we have to calculate that power is equal to voltage into current. Power is equal to voltage into current. So we write the voltage first 12 volt, and write the current is 4, and the power is be calculated at 48 watt. First we have to calculate the power 48 watt. This is the power which we have to consume for the electrical energy. Now this power we have to convert it into kilowatt, and time which is taken to be this is 10 minutes. So suppose we have taken the time t is equal to 10 minutes, and this 10 minutes is converted into hours, and this is 1/6 hour. This is 1/6 hours, and this is converted into kilowatt. So 48 into 10 to the power 3 multiplied and 10 to the power 3 is divided here, and so this is written as 48 kilowatt upon 10 to the power 3 here. So here time is calculated in hour, power is calculated in kilowatt, then electrical energy is to be calculated here. Power is written in kilowatt and time is written as hours. So we have to write 48 divided by 1000 into 1/6. So now we have to calculate this value 0.08. So we have to calculate these values are 0.008 kilowatt hour, and this is divided, first 8 divided by 1000. So now we better learn this is the kilowatt hours. If suppose we have to see that some of the consumption powers, the time is also given here, so we have to multiply this time. We have to multiply this. If suppose rupees for 1 unit, rupees for 1 kilowatt hour is 10 rupees. 10 rupees. This is the consumption rate of the electrical energy. So hence we have to calculate that the total consumption rupees is 0.008 multiplied by the 10, and hence we see that 0.08 rupees. This is the rate at which we have to pay the payment for the consumption of energies.